Hi guys, it's D here, the review fella. So Black Friday and Cyber Monday came and went, and I thought it was about time I bought myself a new TV. Not just any TV, but quite possibly the best TV of 2021, and that is the Samsung QN90A, in my opinion. It gives any OLED a run for its money. I went for the 65-inch version, which also required a new table to hold its monstrous size and 31kg weight, 7kg of which is the heavy-duty stand. At this time of the year, and I mean the period between November and Christmas, and also the first quarter of the following year, the best TV deals are to be had. I paid £1,700 for this TV, which is £1,000 cheaper than its launch price. This also took advantage of a £300 cashback offer. It's a UK spec, so may differ slightly to a QN90A from another country. Firstly, I'd recommend that two people set this TV up. I did manage to do it myself, but it's a huge panel and very heavy when the base is connected. It has to be, you wouldn't want this thing toppling over and squishing your family pooch. The UK version of the QN90A has Quantum Matrix technology. This is a mini LED TV. Quantum HDR 2000 powered by HDR10+, Neo Quantum processor 4K, ultra viewing angle and anti-reflection screen, object tracking Sound Plus, FreeSync Premium Pro, and one HDMI 2.1 port. Going further up the range would give you a one Connect box and four HDMI 2.1 ports, which could be important if you have more than one gaming console or a gaming PC. I have a PlayStation 5 and therefore one 2.1 port is okay for me. One thing I would recommend is to open the top of the box first to retrieve the remotes, instructions and part of the stand. I took the box off first and opened the top afterwards. Either way is fine, but you might find the box is a little lighter if you take the items out first. Removing some additional packing material reveals the second and heaviest part of the stand, tucked down the side. The instructions recommend that you lay this TV face down on somewhere like a table so that the stand can be fitted. This wasn't practical for me, so I just used the box it came in and placed a soft quilted blanket underneath. Fitting the stand was a little bit more effort than I thought it would be, as the screws are very short and a bit fiddly to secure. Once the stand was fitted, the TV could be placed on my new TV table. On the back you can see the available ports, which comprise of two USB, four HDMI, one of which is 2.1 and another which is enhanced audio return channel, 1x optical and one LAN port. Two remotes are provided. The standard Samsung remote on the right looks just like it has done for many years. It does a very good job. Plus this smart remote on the left, which doesn't require batteries and can be charged via the solar panel on the back. A nice feature, I think. The last step is to remove the two end packing pieces. These should pull off fairly easy. Then using the tab in the top left corner, carefully remove the plastic screen protector. Some people leave these on, but it's going to mess up the quality of your picture if you do and create terrible reflections. The slim profile of the panel is really striking for its size. It's really impressive. So how does the Samsung QN90A 2021 model actually perform? The Tizen interface feels zippy and skips along at a pace. It won't feel much quicker than previous year's models, but there is a performance boost here. You'll find it easy to navigate and your favourite apps are ready to go. My first impressions of this TV are wow. I mean, the image quality is breathtaking, particularly streaming 4K content and games. The panel is ultra bright and should be enough to give an excellent picture in the brightest of rooms. The colours are beautiful, rich and stunning, quite possibly the best I've seen this year. Mini LED makes the QN90A brighter and more colourful than just about any 4K TV in my opinion. The blacks also look excellent and deep. Neo Quantum processor 4K analyses each frame and upscales where it finds sub 4K content. This works really well. There is no support for Dolby Vision, but HDR10+ support means that your Amazon Prime Video will look stunning. A small amount of light blooming can be detected, but this is very much improved over previous models. I didn't detect any noticeable screen uniformity issues. The sound is a big improvement too, but you do have to pump up the volume quite high to get decent audio. I'd suggest a good soundbar will always give you better sound than any TV speaker. So there you have it, the most excellent 2021 QN90A. I'll do an updated video on my picture settings very soon. Do you have this TV, and what do you think of the picture quality if you do, or are you thinking of buying it perhaps? Please let me know in the comments. For me, I'm very happy with it, and the improvements over my older Samsung QLED are impressive and measurable. Thank you so much for watching. If you found that interesting or useful, then please give it a thumbs up if you have time. It's a big help to my small channel if you do that for me. Please also consider subscribing for more TV and tech content. Thanks again, please stay safe, and I hope to see you soon.